Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Ritu Yadav representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. I am here to teach you Maths Chapter 4 Subtraction. Students, in our previous video, we have already learned how to subtract numbers. And we have done question number 1 to 7 in book. Today we are going to do question number 8. So students, take out your book and open page number 78. Now we will see B of question number 8. A fruit seller brought 214 apples to his shop. He found that 65 apples were rotten. How many good apples is he left with? Do this question on board. In this question, total number of apples brought by a fruit seller is 214. So we will write 214 here. 100, tens, ones. We will write total apples, T-O-T-A-L, total, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples, 214. So we will write 4 at ones place, 1 at tens place and 2 at hundreds place. Now next line, he found that 65 apples were rotten. So rotten apples, R-O-T-T-E-N, rotten, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Rotten apples 65. So we will write 5 at ones place and 6 at tens place. How many good apples is he left with? So we have to calculate number of good apples. So we will write here good apples. Now we will subtract 65 from 214. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 4 because 4 is smaller than 5. So we will borrow 1 from tens place. So this 4 becomes 14. Now this 1 becomes 0. Now we will subtract 5 from 14. So start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many? 9. So we will write 9 at ones place. Now we have to subtract 6 from 0. So it is not possible to subtract 6 from 0. Again we will borrow 1 from hundreds place. So it becomes 10 and this 2 become 1. Now we will subtract 6 from 10. So count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number came? 4. We will write 4 at tens place. Now there is no number to subtract from 1. So we will write 1 at hundreds place. So number of good apples are 149. So we will write here answer. The fruit seller is left with 149 good apples. You understood how to solve word problems. Now rest of the question you will do yourself. Now we will do copy work. You have to do your notebook work neatly and in good handwriting. Use red margins properly. In first line, write down chapter number 4. Then leave one line and write down subtraction. Again leave one line and write question number 1, subtract the numbers. A. You have to subtract 27 from 58. So we will do this on board. Question number 1. A. 58 minus 27. Here we have to subtract 27 from 58. So 8 minus 7 is, calculate after 7, 8. So only 1. So we will write here 1. Now we have to subtract 2 from 5. So start counting after 2. 3, 4, 5. So how many? 1, 2, 3. So the number is 3. So we get 31 by subtracting 27 from 58. Do next question, number D. 749 minus 618. So here we have to subtract 618 from 749. Now we will do this on board. Question D. 749 minus 618. Now here we have to subtract 618 from 749. So 9 minus 8. So count after 8. After 8 is 9. Only 1. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Next is 4 minus 1. So count after 1. 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now next 7 minus 6. So count after 6, 7. It means only 1. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So we get 131 after subtracting 618 from 749. Question number A and D. Now question number B and C you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is find the difference. Okay, so we will do B. Here 640 minus 325. So here we have to subtract 325 from 640. So first we will arrange these numbers in columns. We will do this on board. Question number 2. B. Your question is 640 minus 325. So we will write 640 minus 325. Now first of all we will start from here. You can see we have to subtract 5 from 0. So it is not possible to subtract 5 from 0. We'll borrow 1 from tens place. So it will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. Okay. Now subtract 5 from 10. So start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now second, we have to subtract 2 from 3. So count after 2, 3 means only 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next is 6 minus 3. Count after 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 1, 2, 3. So your number is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer is 350. Now we will do question number 3. Solve these word problems. D. Rahul typed 350 words. Then he deleted 175 words. How many words are left? Now in this question, Rahul typed total 350 words and he deleted 175 of them. So we have to calculate how many words are left. We will do this on board. We will do question number 3. D. Children, these questions are given in your book, page number 79. Now we will start. Rahul typed 350 words. So, typed words. We will put equal to sign 350. Now next line, then he deleted 175 words. So we will write here deleted words. Deleted words is equal to 175. How many words are left? Here we will write words left is equal to, first we will put minus sign over here. Now we will subtract 175 from 350. Again, it is not possible to subtract 5 from 0. So we will borrow 1 from tens digit. So this 0 becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 4. Now we will subtract 5 from 10. So count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. Next, 4 minus 7. Again it is not possible to subtract 7 from 4 because 4 is smaller than 7. So we will borrow 1 from hundreds place. So this becomes 14 and this 3 becomes 2. Now we will subtract 7 from 14. So count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will come here? 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now we will subtract 2 minus 1. So after 1, 2, only 1. So we get 175 words. Answer is 175. Now we'll write here answer 175 words are left. Hope you understood this question. Now we'll do next question. Now question number E. There were 523 popcorns in a packet. Shalini ate 263 of them. How many popcorns are left in the packet? Do this on board. Question E. Children, this question is also given in your book, page number 79. Now we'll see how to solve this sum. Total popcorns. So how many total popcorns were there? Total popcorns is equal to 523. Popcorns eaten. Number of popcorns eaten is equal to 263. Now popcorns left. Is equal to, we'll put minus sign over here. Now we'll subtract 263 from 523. So we'll start from this side. 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have to subtract 6 from 2. It is not possible to subtract 6 from 2. So we'll borrow 1 from hundreds digit. So this 2 becomes 12 and this 5 becomes 4. Now we'll subtract 6 from 12. So count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now next is 4 minus 2. So we will count after 2. 3, 4. How many? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So total popcorns left is equal to 260. Now here we will write answer 260 popcorns. So total number of popcorns left are 260. Now we will write here 260 popcorns are left in the packet. Hope you understood this chapter very well. Thank you. I hope you have understood this chapter clearly. Keep learning, keep doing. Thank you. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.